More Americans own stocks than ever before. The market has seen an influx of people looking to take control of their finances and investments. And maybe you're one of them, but if you're anything like I was, getting started or scaling your trading skills can be intimidating and full of insecurities. Am I choosing the right stock? Am I getting in at the right price? Am I going to mess up? What if I lose money? Is the stock market gambling? I asked all these questions too until my father-in-law, David Mitchell, founder of TRADEway, showed me how to approach the stock market with a plan and a biblical perspective. Developing trading skill sets with a biblical mindset is the key to approaching the stock market with confidence. And that's what you'll get through a TRADEway education. So when you trade, you don't have to guess, gamble, or go for it because you're following a system that we've taught you. You can and should treat stock trading like a business. Approach your trades with reasonable expectations of costs and returns. Have confidence and execute a plan for your trading. So if you were thinking, hey, I'd love to learn how to trade stocks, but it's kind of scary and I'm really not sure how it fits with my faith, that's what TRADEway is here for. God did not give us a spirit of fear, but of power and of love and of sound mind. At TRADEway, we will give you the tools to help you take control of your finances and do so in a God-fearing and God-honoring manner. We can't wait to talk to you and help you start your journey no matter what level of trader you are. Reach out to us at tradeway.com/call, that's CALL, and we'll help you get started, and then we'll see you in the market.